additive technologies overcome many of the manufacturability challenges of traditional processes, making designs like built-in moving assemblies possible. Traditional manufacturing requires design around pins and other fasteners, as well as labor to assemble individual components after production. On the studio system, built-in moving assemblies are directly 3D printed in metal together with our innovative ceramic release layer technology. Our design guidelines lead users through creating functional, moving assembly parts utilizing the ceramic release material printed on the studio system's second printhead. This ceramic release material bakes away during sintering, enabling the whole metal assembly to break away by hand and be free moving after coming out of the furnace. Utilizing bound metal deposition technology, the ceramic release layer enables once impossible designs to come to life. Just another reason why the studio system is a valuable addition to any shop, lab, or classroom space.